How many reports are needed to delete an Instagram account? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how many reports are needed to delete an Instagram account. If you're considering closing your Instagram account, one effective method is to report it. By gathering a group of individuals willing to report the same account, you can increase the likelihood of it being deleted. The more people who report an account, the higher the probability that Instagram will take action and remove it. As of the year 2023, Instagram mandates a minimum of 3 reports before they will delete an account. Therefore, if you are planning to engage in mass reporting, ensure that you have a group of 4 to 5 people ready to participate. Additionally, it's essential to maintain a time gap of at least 45 minutes to 1 hour between each report. To initiate mass reporting on Instagram, begin by visiting the user's profile page and then tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Report. Follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. So this is basically how you can report an account on Instagram to delete it. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.